that. Okay. Mm. We'll see. Okay, now, uh, okay. So now yesterday we were talking about our vendor accounts payables we were talking, right?
Yes.
Okay. So first step, what is the first step? We will create the groups.
Oops.
Second step, we will create the number ranges. Third step, what we will do? We will link them. Correct? Yeah. So
Yes.
depending upon how many groups they want, we will create. How many number ranges they want, we will create. And we will assign them, link them. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So these notes you have taken already, all of you.
Yes.
Notes you have taken, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, so you know about reconciliation process now? No, you are comfortable with this process, reconciliation process. Yeah. So what is
Yep.
happening? So we will connect our subledger with the general ledger. Correct? So in the subledger, we will have the vendor accounts, and each vendor account is connected to a reconciliation GL account, sundry creditors. And whenever user posting to the vendor in the subledger, system will update both subledger and general ledger on real-time basis automatic. Correct? So that's how we will get the total payables automatic. Okay. So individually we can see in the subledger, vendor wise you can see in the subledger, collectively total payables you can see in the general ledger. Then this we call it as a reconciliation process, and this account we call it as a reconciliation GL. Okay. Right. So can we post to reconciliation accounts directly?
No.
Normal accounts like rent account, share capital account, bank
Yes.
account, we can.
Yeah.
But
Yes.
when
Yes.
when it is recognized as a reconciliation account, you cannot post directly. Okay. Why? Because it will create imbalance between subledger and general ledger. Correct? Good. Okay. Now step number one. One is we are in accounts. Which topic we are in now? We are in accounts payables. Accounts payable. Now, step number one is define vendor account groups. Okay, group one group we will create, that is OBD3 is the T code. OBD3 is the T code to create the vendor account groups. Okay. So now I am going to OBD3. Let me. I will put. Okay. Here we are creating vendor account group. Okay. Now, which group shall we create? Which group now? Raw material group is there. This I will create in Now, when I am talking about material management, I will discuss. Employee group, I don't want to create because only one invoice will come na, per month. Na. We don't pay salaries every day, right? So it looks odd if I post every day. So I will create some other group like housekeeping services. Okay, no problem. We will create this group. Okay, guys? Yeah. Housekeeping services group we will create. Come on. Any group, no? We can create insurance group, advertising group, legal services group. Any group you can create. Okay, let us do. So let me go to OBD. Okay, 3. So click on new entries and we give the code here. So this will be my housekeeping, housekeeping services, housekeeping services vendor group. Okay, yeah, vendors. Okay, now okay. So what name shall I give? 4 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what you do is you keep your company name in the back. Okay. Zoho. Zoho is na Zoho housekeeping services. Eh, Service housekeeping service vendors. You can create. Okay. 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 You can give any name. You can give ABCD also, guys. Anything. Okay. So I am creating Zoho housekeeping services vendor. Okay. Press enter. Right. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes you may get if it is saying it is already there. Suppose if it is something like this, you see, it will say a message na, like this. You know this message? What does it mean? If you get this error, na, what is that? What?
Same name has been already used, so we have to
Someone
use.
correct na? You see now. Suppose if I am using HKS, you see, it's there available. So it is there. Luckily, all these are there. Okay. So now I am creating. So if it is there, what you need to do? Change the code a little bit. Kada. You are aware of this. Na? So Zoho housekeeping services. Good. Okay. So what is the code I am giving here? I am giving Zoho ZHKS. Right? Zoho housekeeping services. Housekeeping service vendors group. Correct? Okay. Okay. Let me go. Yeah. Okay. Now. So now here we have something that is one-time account. See, one-time account means there are certain vendors who we do deal only once na, in our life. They are not regular vendors, only one-time vendors. Like for example, now I have taken the services of a, see, suppose I want to do manufacturing. Okay. Suppose I want to do manufacture. To manufacture, I need manufacturing license. Okay. To get the manufacturing license, I employed the services of a broker, na? Agent. Agent. So I took his help and finally I got the manufacturing license. Now, this, broker, I paid him some money. So I created him. So shall I maintain this? Shall I continuously deal with this guy? Do I need a manufacturing license every week?
No,
No, no,
one time.
only one off, no? One off.
Mhm.
So this is a guy whom I know, no? I will deal with him only once, right? So then why I should maintain all the data for that guy? Correct. When I am only dealing with only once, then why I should maintain lot of data about him and keep it on the system? So for those type of vendors, we will create a separate group and we'll keep them separate. Okay. So what will happen is when I tell that those vendors are one-time people, system will not create separate data for them. Okay, you understand? Lot of data, address and all, it will not maintain. Bare minimum, it will maintain. That's how we will save the space with regard to the one-time vendors. Okay. So what we will do is we will create a separate group like this. One-time vendor group. Okay. One-time vendor group I will create. Right. And then I will maintain separate number range for them. Like this. Like this. Okay. 81000 to 8199. Right. Separate number range I will maintain. Okay. Good. So what is this is one time vendor. Na? So when I am creating one time vendor group, right, I'll create like this. Okay. So this is my one time vendor group. Right. For this one time vendor, I will tick this. System knows whatever vendors are created under this group, they are all one time. So I don't have to maintain lot of data about them. Is that clear? That is it. So when our group is a one-time vendor group, then I will take this, right? So now you tell me, for our ZS keys, for this group, housekeeping group, shall I take this or not to take this?
No.
Not
Not take, because this housekeeping continuous, na? Continuous.
Yes.
Every week, every month, I have to continuously deal with this guy, na? So I will not take this for this group. If it is a one-time vendor group, then I will take. Got it? Okay. So that's it. That's it over, guys. We create the group name. We give the description. That's it. Very, very simple. You create the group like this. Okay. Save. Save. So now today I will create a new group, guys. New request. So today I will create, and I will create one more group, that is one more request, that is accounts payables. Because this is Zoho only. Zoho only. This is all Zoho. See, this entire project is Zoho, na? Everything I do for Zoho only, right? See, Bajaj will not come here, na? Some other company will not come, right? Yeah, if you want, you can type here. Zoho, you can type. No. That is also own request only. See, this is the own request created for enterprise structure. Now enterprise structure is over, no? Okay, now we are doing accounts payables. Is that clear? See, why we create the request is so that we can take it further and test it, no? Yeah. If you put all of them in one request, testing becomes difficult. See, I cannot test 100 things at a time, no? Then where is the problem? I don't know, right? That's why enterprise structure testing we do separately. Accounts payable testing we do separately. That's why we are keeping them separate requests. Is that clear? Okay, so we are creating a new request, that is accounts payables. We will create and we will save in that. Okay, we will save it. Okay.
Under the Zogo folder only, sir.
So see, this folder itself is a new. That is what I am saying.
Okay,
So we
okay,
create a new request like this: accounts payables.
okay,
We are creating a new request. Now Zoho enterprise structure request is over now.
okay, okay,
Now we are creating a new request for payables. Is that clear?
okay. Just create a click save.
Save. That's it. That's it. Then your accounts payables will be created. You'll see. It will come here. Got it?
Okay.
Right? So now I am saving in accounts payable. That's it. So step number 1, I have completed. Just the name and the description. Okay. Step number 1 is complete.
For the account group, so we have to create, or like you just created, or but you already created in the enterprise things.
No, I
Account
am
group.
I am creating now.
Oh,
Vendor account group I am creating. What is the group I created? This.
okay. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So you just go to OBD3. You give the
Mhm.
short code name, new entries, give the short code name like this, description you give, that's it.
Okay.
So this is for housekeeping I created. Same way I will do for advertising. Same way I do for house security services, insurance. I will create multiple groups. Same like, same like a company. Starting we created assets, liabilities like that. Na? Different
This is just like
GL.
creating a folder for now. There's nothing specific to account.
So this is group we are creating right now. Account we are not creating. Group we are creating. Like GL groups you created, na? Liability group, asset group, income group, expenses group. 4 groups you created. Remember GL groups. You remember OBD4.
sir.
OBD4. Remember step 15.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. GL groups we created na liability group, asset group, income group, expenditure group na series 1 lakh series, 2 lakh series, 3 lakh series. Same way I am creating vendor groups. Okay. Okay. So I am creating one group. I created one group. Next step number 2. Step number 2 is what? Number range I have to create na?
Yes.
This one. Okay. Number range. So right. Go back to mute. So now XKN1 is the number. Okay.
XKN, sir.
XKN1. XKN1. Vendor number ranges. Okay. So click on change intervals. Click on change intervals. Change intervals. Then what you do here? You look now what is the next number range available. See, in real time when you are doing project, all the number ranges will be available to you because you are the first guy who is logging in. Na? See, only your FI team is logging in, na? So all number ranges will be available. But here in classes, background noise. So here in classes, yeah, whoever it is, please go back to mute. Yeah. Okay. So here in classes, right? So previously for other classes, I might have used some number range, correct? So there are some number ranges that are already occupied for other groups. Okay. So we should look for the next number range that is available. Okay. So let me go down. Go down, 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 down. Okay. What is the number range that is available to me? 78. Till 78 it is completed. No? What is my next number available now? 79 is available. Is that clear? Okay. So you should look for the next number range that is available, create it.
For
Okay.
us, that create intervals is showing is a number range is locked for maintenance.
See, number range is locked for maintenance means locked. What you understand the word when I say locked means what?
That other user is clear.
That's
but when
it. That's it, no? That's it. See, you see now, I am going to XKN1 again. Okay. You see? Correct, no?
Yes.
So if the screen someone is already working there, then it will get lock message. No? Yeah, then you know, no, SM1, 2 and all.
Yes.
That is a common process. Okay, now. Okay. So now we have this now. So now my next number range is 70. So now in your case, maybe 79, 80, 81, 99 also used up. Suppose. See, some students, what they do, they will create 2020. All the number range they will consume. Right? So we have 6 servers, but some students, if they create all of them, then it will not be available for other people. No? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Created,
So
sir.
already used all 99. So in
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Till 98, till 99. Yes, sir.
So you look for the gaps. No? Sometimes they leave the numbers in the middle. Okay. Just look for the gaps. No problem. If the numbers are not available, you can use an existing one also. Means what? See, all the numbers are used up. Then you don't need to create a new one. You can select any one like this. I want to select 6 like this. Any one like this. 7 I want to select. I can select. No problem. Okay. So instead of creating a new one, you can use an existing one also. The difference is here your vendor number will come from next number. Na? Here 6 are already created. Na? So your vendor
Yes,
will
sir.
be created with 7 number. That's it. Otherwise, there is no problem. Okay. So if the number range is already used, you have to background noise. Okay. So if the number range is already used, then you can use an existing one also. Okay.
Just
Now,
we need to select and save, sir.
select. No, you don't need to do anything now. Step number 2, no need to do. You can directly go to next step. Okay, I will show. Okay, let me write down here. Okay, step number 2 is define number range for vendor account groups. Okay, that is XKN1. Correct, na? So what is the number I am creating? I am creating with 79. Yeah? My next number available is 79. Okay, so 7999. Whatever I am giving like this. Okay. But if number range is not available, if number range is not available, okay, then we can not available. In fact, all the number ranges are used. We can use an existing series, existing number range. Okay, so no need to create. So what I'm saying? No need to do the step 2 itself. You understand the point? No need to do this step, not required. Just select one number range and we will use it in the third step. Okay. Okay. If number range is not available, we can use an existing one. So no need to do the step number 2. Okay. Just in third step, what we do? Assign.
In real sense, that will not happen, sir.
That is a new system. Na? You are the only one. Na? Previously,
Yes.
nobody entered in the system. So you are the exclusive yours it is. Correct?
Yes.
So this situation will not come.
Can you go once again, sir, the creation of the number range, if you don't know.
I will go on. Assign number range to vendor account group. Okay. Vendor account group. That is OBAS it is. Okay. So what I will do here is whatever is my group is there na ZHKS, I will link to 17. Is that clear? So this is my step number 1. This is my step number 2. I will link this group to this. Is that clear? Oh. So now if number range is not available, so what I will do? I will select any number range, na? 07. I will give 07 directly here. Got it? So whatever is the number range is I already available. I will pick one, I link, na? No need to create a new one, right? That is it clear? Suppose from this number range, I like something else. I like 16. Yeah, okay. So I will pick up 16. I don't do anything. 16 I will pick up and I will link 16 here. Don't need to create anything. No? Got it? Because 16 is already created, right? 16 is already there. Only problem is I will get the next number. No? 16003 I will get when I am creating the vendor. Is that clear? So if number range is available, you create. Not available, use an existing one. Correct? Whatever number you like, you can pick up. Okay? Good. Best. So you look for the numbers that are least used. Na? See here, you see. Someone created it with no number, 0. You can use, na? Absolutely no problem. Correct? Someone created here, but no number range. Okay. So no customer, no vendors have been created. You can pick those numbers or less numbers. This guy, you see, only one is used. You understand? No? So one that is used less, you pick it up. Okay. See, this guy used 3. Some might use 6 to 7. Whatever is less used, you pick up. Okay? Everybody is clear on this?
That number range creation, can you go on first that?
What I will do? I will create the 79. I think I have not created. No, I will create.
Yes.
I will create now. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Intervals.
so
Click
insert
interval.
this is insert interval.
Okay.
Number, what number?
79.
79. Right? And you
Okay.
can give 79,000
000.
to 79,999.
7999.
Enter.
And there is no necessity to save anything though.
You have to save.
Okay.
Okay, after you give, you save it. Is that clear? So my
Okay.
current number showing 0, you see? 0. Sometimes you will get overlapping problem. You know, no? By now you know what is overlapping. Correct or not? Right. Suppose if I give here any other number, it will overlap. No? Suppose if I am giving here some other number, like, so 78 if I give, obviously it will say, no, it is overlapping, right? Okay. See, it is overlapping problem because same number I am giving to 2 people. Correct. You know, no overlapping problem? We got it in OBS 7. Yeah. In the GL we got no OBS 7. Overlapping problem. Same number can you give to 2 series? You cannot. You understand the point? Okay. See here. See, I am giving here 79,000 to 79,999. No problem. But here, before 79, 78 is there, na last number. Correct? Yeah. So can I give here 79 now? Can I give? Can I give or not? You tell me.
No.
No,
Why no? Why no?
because it is already there in the next series.
Yeah. Correct or not? Same number can I use to 2 people? No.
No.
I will get overlapping. Correct. So what I should do? The number should not go one over the other. No? That's why we are breaking up like this. 7899. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Save it. Clear na? So 78, 79 I am creating. 79 I am creating. Save it. This is my, so here number range, the point with number range is number ranges are never saved in the request. Yeah. So number ranges you cannot copy from one server to another server. Number ranges already always created separately in each server. See, we talked about development, quality, production, right? Remember? Development we do, we copy to quality, we do the testing there, then we take it to production, right? You know, na? So here number ranges we are not saved in any request. Number ranges every time you have to create separate. Okay.
Sir, when I give the range, enter intervals without overlap is coming. So what is the mean?
That is what I was discussing, na? Just a few minutes. Correct. So what
Okay.
is the overlapping? Correct now, guys? Overlapping means what? See, this number.
That number is already available.
Yeah, same number. If I give 79,000, see, this number is here already. If I give, it will say overlapping. Na? Got it? How can I give same number to 2 people? For 79 and 78, how can I give? Correct. So one over the other should not happen. Na? You understand the point?
Okay.
So you should give a number that is not overlapping.
Yeah.
So you should reduce one number, then it will work. Yeah. Can I give 99 like this?
No, sir.
Huh? It will overlap so many numbers, na?
Yes, sir.
Got it? So everybody understood what is overlapping? Okay, so you should enter numbers without overlapping. One over the other should not happen. They should be separate. So one series above the another series should not happen. Overlapping should not happen. They should be separate. See, overlapping means, see, I can give now. See here, suppose I am giving one series, I am giving 1000 to 1500 I am giving. Okay, next series should be 1501 to 2000, whatever. They should be separate. If I am giving 1501 here, then overlapping. If I give 2000 here, then also overlap. Correct? You understand the point? Each series should be separate. Can I give 1 to 2000? That will also overlap. Understand? So every series should be independent. There should not be any overlapping between the series. 1 to 1 to like this. This you can give. Yeah. This will come before, no? Correct. You are. This is okay. This is okay because it is not overlapping. But can I give 999? Another 9? You understand the point? Yeah. So before this 1000, yes, you can give. 1000 to 1500 given. 1500 to 2000, you have given. 2001 can I give? Yes, no problem. That like this I can give. But can I
Is
give
the
two?
number in alphanumeric we can give it or only numeric
No,
only,
no,
sir?
numeric only. Better give numeric. Okay.
Okay.
So you are giving 2000. If I give 2000, what will happen?
Overlap.
Overlap. You understand the concept? So every series should be independent. Okay, some students what they do, 1 to 9999, big number. Then all of them they are blocking. Na? So in that case,
Yes, right.
what you do, you go to their series, reduce it. Okay. If you find something abnormal, na, see lower number you cannot change. Lower number you cannot change. Higher number you can always change.
Reduce it.
Reduce it, na? Suppose this number is there. 6000 to 69 is saying. So I will put 60 to 60. Na? I can reduce it, na? I can reduce. So higher number you can always reduce. Lower number you cannot. Is that clear?
Okay.
Okay. So you reduce their higher number which is causing the problem. Then the problem will be resolved. Okay. Good. Okay, now next. So that was my step number 2. Step number 2 is we have defined the number in 79 series I defined. Okay, step number 3. 3 is what? Assigning the number range to the group. Okay. So what I will do now? I will go to OBAS. OBAS. Okay. OBAS. Okay. What is the group now? Which group we are taking? ZHKS. Present. Okay. What is the number range here? 7. Good, no? So group is ZHKS. 79 is the series. Okay, na? Save. If 79 was not available, what any number, na? I can give 07, 16 I can give, any series I can. Yeah, no problem. Existing, whatever is available, you give. Right? Save. That was my step number. Request is, from today we are in accounts payables, na? Request will be accounts. Right? That was my step number 3. So step number 1, I created the group. Step number 2, I defined the number range. Step number 3, linked the group to the number. So like that we can create n number of groups. Okay, many number ranges, many groups, whatever is the client requirement, we can create. Okay.
Sir, can you please once again OBAS?
OBAS, na, this is
Yes.
it, na? So you go to OBAS, position yourself, give the account group ZHKS, and then you give 70.
No, which one we have to click it, sir? Assigning before that OBS. After OBS, which one you are clicking, sir?
See position button.
Position button. Okay, sir.
Position, search your ZHKS, and then you link. Okay, whatever group you created, you search for it. So in my system, I have 106 groups. Okay, I'm searching for my group. Okay, good. Okay, done. That was my step number 3. Next, note on step number 4. Step number 4 is define tolerances for vendors and customers. Right, that is my OBA 3. Define tolerances for vendors and customers, OBA 3. Vendors and customers. OBA 3. Okay, let's go. So go to OBA 3 /n OBA 3. You go. Okay. So click on the new entries. Click on the new entries. Here I am giving my company code. So you remember GL tolerances? You remember, guys, GL tolerances, step 17, 18.
Yes.
The same way we
Yes.
have vendor tolerances. Okay. Ditto. So you go to OBA 3. So this is the tolerance for vendors and customers, both of them. So click on the new entries. Then you give company code. Now, what is my company code? ZAPL.
PL.
Correct? Tolerance group, you know, now we leave it blank, right? This currency will come automatically. Now we don't enter, right? Remember?
Yes, sir.
Tolerance group also we
Yes,
leave
sir.
blank. Na?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, and then description we give. That's it. So tolerance group, universal tolerance group, na, we just create. Okay. So that I can use it for any vendor, any customer. So just we are creating for no blank tolerance you create. And I will not put any limitations, no restrictions. Just as a requirement, I will create. Okay. Save it. Okay. That's it. I'm showing you once again. OBA 3. Click on the new entries. Click on the new entries. And I am giving company code. Right? Tolerance. Press enter. Currency will come automatically. Na? Automatically. Tolerance for vendors and customers. You leave everything blank. Then you save it. Okay. You see, I'm creating. But what is the name of the tolerance group? Blank tolerance. Save it. That's it. That was my step number 4. Yeah, for now, don't give anything. Just leave it blank. Blank tolerance group you create. Good. Next. Step number 5. Step number 5. 5 is define number ranges. Define number ranges for vendor document types. Okay, vendor document types. Okay, that is my OBA 7. You remember? Step number 10, OBA 7. Remember, GL document. See, previously we gave for essay document 01 series. We gave na like this 1000
Yes, sir.
to
Yes, sir.
1099.
Step
We did na? Now
Yes,
is
sir.
the time for other documents. Like we have KR document. KR is 19 series and it is vendor. So this is GL document. Na? Correct. Now I am talking about vendor invoice. What is the document type? KR. What is the series? 19. Okay, so I will give the series like this, na 19000 to 19999. Okay, same way, vendor accounting document. That is KA document. Which series? 17 series. 17000 to 1799. Good? No problem. Like this. Okay. Then we are having vendor payment. Vendor payment. What is the document type? KZ. What is the series? 15 series. So I am giving the series like 15000 to 1599. Got it? Okay. Note on this. So this already we completed, na? This we have already completed. Already done in GL. Correct? Okay. So this is the document number ranges for vendor documents. Transactions. Document means transactions. So 10 digits it is. Okay. Right. So I will go to OBS 7 /N OBA 7. You go there. In OBS 7, we have seen what we have done for essay, na, you know, essay we have done. We remember double click on essay, number range information, company code, which company code? ZAPL.
ZAPL.
Change intervals. You see, this one we have done, na? Remember?
Mhm.
Why it is showing 49 number here?
Because we
Already
have
we created
created the
document.
documental 49 number.
We have posted 49 documents.
49 documents.
Documents.
Which document type? GL documents. Correct?
Mhm.
So now we have other document types. Others like vendor invoice. Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Vendor invoice, KR, vendor invoice, KA, vendor document, KZ, vendor payment. These are the other documents. Clear, na? So what I will do now, I will click on this, na? KR. Okay, KR, what is the series? 19 series. Okay, KA, what is the series? KA, what is the series? 70. K, they are redefined. How many documents they define? 50. Okay. So now when the time comes, I will give, na. See, when I'm GL, why I need this, I did not do. Now when I'm in accounts payable, I am doing for vendors. When I'm in accounts receivables, I will do for who I will do in accounts receivables. When I'm
Customers.
customers, na, here
Customers.
you see customer is there, DR, DZ, I will do for customers. Correct? When I'm in asset accounting, I will do asset related. You understand the point? So when in GL, I did only GL. Now I'm in vendor, na, accounts payables, right? That's why I'm doing for vendor. Vendor KR. KR is what series? 9. Vendor
19 series.
invoice. KA is accounting document. KA is accounting document. Okay, KZ is vendor payment. Correct, na? So 17, 19, 15, everything is given. Okay. So now we will go to number range information. Then we give the company code, that is our ZAPL. We give change intervals. Already we have 0, 1. Now I am giving for 1 by 1. Na? Okay, vendor invoice I will give. What is it? 90. Okay,
Sir,
here
this is
which?
vendor payment, sir.
This is?
You are clicking vendor payment, sir.
What is it?
You are clicking in vendor payment, sir.
No, doesn't matter. After coming here, see the
Okay.
connection is not here. Connection is there only. Here you can give all the 3. 15, 17, 19 you can give. Okay.
Okay.
So here, if it is not based on what you click here, na? Okay, here what you click doesn't matter. So you click on this, it will go to common. So it is.
Okay.
So here, this connection is here only.
Mm-hmm.
After going there, I can give anything. Okay.
Okay.
See here. So here I can give 19, no problem. You see, all of them I can. So here, after coming to this screen, see, you see T code is changing. Na? You see, I will show you. So when you are in before screen, here the T code is OBS7. Correct? But when I click on this, it is going to another screen. You see?
BN1.
This is another screen which has got, it is not linked to that 15 or KZ. Na? No. So now, so my company code ZAPL. You can come here directly also. You see, I will show you.
BN1.
BN1. Directly you can come here. Understand? Suppose I am here. I am giving here FBN1. I can go there directly. If I know the number, I can go there directly. Okay? Yeah. So change intervals. Now insert interval. Number what? 3 numbers I have to give. Na? So one is 19. 19 is for vendor invoice. Na? Okay. 2024. 19,000 to 1999. Next. Then insert interval number 70. Year which year? 2024. Number 17,000 to 1799. Next. Insert interval number 15. Year 2024. 15,000 to 1599. Got it? This is 3 of. Okay. So current number showing 0, na? Why?
So doesn't
We have
Not
not
yet.
posted. We have not posted invoice. We have not posted vendor payment. When not posted vendor accounting document. Yeah. So 3 I can give together. Yes, no problem. Yeah, it's not that you have to click on KZ come, KR click and come. Not required. At a time you can. There we linked already. In the previous screen, it is linked na KR linked to 19, KZ linked to 15. It is linked already. Okay. Okay, save it. So now we need to understand what is a vendor invoice. Na? What is a vendor invoice, guys? What is a vendor invoice?
So when they supply the goods, they will provide a document to the
Yeah,
Bill,
bill.
bill to us.
bill.
Bill.
It's like a bill.
Yeah, it's like a bill. They are asking us to pay this money. Na? Vendor invoice is a bill from the vendor to make the payment. Correct? Vendor invoice. Then vendor payment, you know, na? Payment. Vendor is making the, we are making the payment to the vendor. So when we receive the bill, this is the document. When we receive the vendor invoice, we post in the SAP system. Na? Yes, we received this bill from this vendor. We post. That is vendor invoice. When we make payment for that, then we will get vendor payment document. Correct? Na? Yeah. Then what is this one? Vendor accounting document. Vendor accounting document is something that is not invoice, not payment in the middle. Correct? Like returns. We returned. No? So we purchased, we returned. Or some adjustments in the invoice. Or reversals. Invoice. Yeah, invoice I posted, I reversed it. Correct? So anything that is not invoice, not payment is coming under vendor accounting document. Returns, reversals, adjustments, the credit memos, all these things. Is that clear? Right? So you understand the difference between invoice, payment and accounting?
Yes.
So invoice means bill from the vendor. Payment means you are making the payment. Accounting means some adjustments in the middle. Okay? Good. Right. Okay. Now you save this. No, we save number range, we create. That's it. So how many steps we completed, guys? Total
5 steps.
5 steps we complete. So this GL already we did. So no need to do it again. So I'll remove this. So vendor invoice, vendor accounting, vendor payment. Now I have one question. What is the difference between this number range and this number range? What is the difference? Here also number range is there.
That's
Here
for
also
the vendor
That
account number, sir. Vendor subledger
that
account.
is
Vendor account
yeah,
groups.
that is for vendor account groups, and this number is within the
Subledger.
vendor account.
Document type.
Yeah, subledger. So
It's a subledger
specific
account.
vendor invoicing or account.
Okay.
One is for that 79 is not dependent on company code, but this 19, 17, 15 are dependent on company codes.
Super.
That is for server.
Oh, very good observation. Very good. Good. Okay. Yes, you are also correct. The main difference here is this is for the account number. Account. This is account. This is document.
Type.
What is the difference between account and document? Account is account. Inside the account, you have the transactions. That is document. See, if I go to a bank, if I go to a bank, I open a bank account. Okay, they give a number, So will they open my account in the name or number they will give?
Number.
Name they will not give, Why they will not open the account in the name?
Same name can be for many people.
Yeah. Names are not unique,
Yes.
Yeah. So we have half of India, Venkatesha, Srinivasas, No. So that's why name is not unique. That's why number is they will create. Okay. So
Right.
that is account number. They will give an account number. That is this. So then after opening the account, I do transactions. I deposit the money. When I deposit, transactions. This is. So transaction number is this. You understand? Account number is account number. Transaction number is transaction. Account number very important because lifelong we will use this. Understand the point? Correct or not? Till we are doing business with this vendor, lifelong we will use this vendor account number. Correct? Transaction number, every day it will change, new transactions. So transaction numbers are in which T code? OBS. All transaction numbers, you understand? All transaction, GL, vendor, customer, asset, all transactions are in OBS. Account number, vendor account number in XKN. Is that clear? Good. Okay. So remember this. Account number is account number. Document number is document. You should not get confused. They are two separate things. Is it clear? Good. Okay. So we'll stop here, guys, for today. Next class will be on Monday. I will continue with the vendor creation. One party I will create. I will start dealing with him. Okay. So vendor creation, we will see on Monday then. Yep. Okay, guys. Then thank you, guys. Thank you
Thank
all
you,
of you.
sir.
Happy
Happy
weekend,
weekend.
all of you. We will meet on Monday then. Yep.
Me
Thank
too.
you all of
Happy weekend.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
guys.
you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.